Okay, we're starting at the lettuce here. These things look like they're not popping up too much. I'm using different type of seeds. They actually expired 2 years ago. So I put some more in here and put some seed starter mix on top of it. We'll see how that does. My citronella plant looks like it's getting larger. Looks like it's getting some more green stems on it. There's the fountain. That one's shooting a lower pressure than the one in the front. And let's go to the garden. Meet you at the garden. Before we go to the garden, Shelly, this pool cover seems like it has a leak on it. We bought it last year. You see where the water level dropped below the skimmer? Yeah, we was pumping all that off the top of the liner. The cover. So Shelly been using the water on top of the cover to water the garden.
You have entered the monitoring area.
Okay, we're going to start at the top here. Shelly's watering the roses. Yesterday she watered the garden with that water, and that water will be good for the plants anyway. It has a lot of algae in it and stuff, nutrients. Okay, there's all. Let's go down here. I'm gonna have to run some water out to that water pail later. Still got this open up. I think the garden's about done. I think. Nothing red in there. Nothing red in here. Got some green tomatoes. Okay, green peppers. That's what they look like. I was watering every 2 days, except for the last time I didn't water to let it dry up a little bit, and Shelly watered this yesterday. Yeah, let's see what we got here. I don't think I'm gonna be picking anything today. Gotta pick something. Let me pick this one here. I'll pick this one here. There's a couple more here. Yeah, I'm trying to slice these up, put them in the freezer in a Ziploc, and see if so far it seems to be doing pretty good. Throw on some of my food, chili, pizza, you know. Okay, in here. Oh, I see a red one. Oh, this green one fell off when I was pulling the red one. No, it didn't. It's still in the vine. So here's a red one here. Pretty. I did get something. Let me look at that green one again. I don't think much is holding that on. It's not. It's not. I was just held on by that. Okay, we'll pick this green one here. Waste not, want not. Yeah, don't see nothing else. Okay. Oh, I got a big old green beefsteak there. I'm gonna try to keep it on and see what happens. Tiny little beady peppers. Jalapenos. Yeah. The way I saved the seeds on the beefsteak, I tried that with jalapenos. It didn't work. So, try a different way. And zucchini. Yep, I don't know if you can see that zucchini there. Ooh, that stem's starting to turn black. We may not have no zucchini. Gotta figure that out. Okay, now. No grape or cherry tomatoes to pick. Here's the jalapeno here. And trim that off there. Yeah, the weather is hotter than normal this time of year. First we're having a cool spell, and now we're having a heat spell. So I don't know if that's messing with the plants or not. Let me pick this one. This one too. And let me see what we got here. Oh, there's a bee. He's trying to pollinate. Is there a flower on there? I don't see a flower. Oh, yeah, there is. Okay, I'll leave you alone. I'll come back. Oh. Let's see what we got in here. Don't see nothing red in here. Any jalapenos over here? God, I got a mess in this thing. I'll do better next year. Gotta keep on top of it. You don't, it'll just take off. Let's see. That bee seemed to be left already. So let's see what I got over here. See what I got here. Yeah. Pretty soon, I'll be having a whole bushel of these with her. They're slow right now, but when time comes, the beef flew back in there. That's all right. He'll take care of my stuff. Oh, that went on the ground. You notice B don't bother me because I don't bother him. He knows we both doing our stuff. Oh, that's all I'm gonna pick on that one there. Okay, pepperoncinis. That's a long one. Here's a big one. Trim that. Okay. Oh, there's another yellow pepper I missed over there. Let's see what this pepper plant looks like. Yeah, that one's coming off. So every 2 days I'm getting something anyway. Let me trim that. That's the most decent size I picked so far this year. It's not real big, but still, I don't want the bugs to get them. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, I'm gonna take these two. see what we got here. See tomatoes going all the way down here. Oh, there's another big green one. I'm picking this one here. Got a little yellow on it, see? I don't know. Might throw that away. Haven't decided yet. That don't look good. Yeah, I think it will. Okay, this watermelon here, still green. Anyway, what I want to show you here, if I can without all the glare. Okay, this is the rainfall we had this month. A total to 0.18 of an inch. Last month in August, we had 2.9 inches, almost 3 inches. In July, it was 3 inches. So, it's not good. Anyway, we've been using this pool water, this algae on top of the pool liner, that is, and to just water and feed. This is asparagus right there. Let's run over to the jewelweed plant. I want to propagate that or try to collect the seeds or something. I just let it spread around. I really do. And I got a little information on it for you also.
Impatiens capensis, the orange jewelweed, common jewelweed, spotted jewelweed, spotted touch-me-not, or orange balsam, is an annual plant in the family Balsaminaceae that is native to North America. It is common in bottomland soils, ditches, and along creeks, often growing side by side with its less common relative, yellow jewelweed. As food, the young shoots can be boiled, with 2 changes of water, as a potherb. Eating too much is not recommended. The plant contains calcium oxalate crystals. The seeds are also edible, medicinal, along with other species of jewelweed. The juice of the leaves and stems is a traditional Native American remedy for skin rashes, including poison ivy. The effectiveness of its use to prevent the development of a rash after short-term exposure to poison ivy has been supported by peer-reviewed study, and is likely due to the plant containing saponins. These studies also found that some individuals have a sensitivity to jewelweed which can cause a more severe rash. The stem juice has also been used to treat athlete's foot. Its fungicidal qualities have been scientifically verified. Pollination. Nectar spurs are tubular elongations of petals and sepals of certain flowers that usually contain nectar. Flowers of Impatiens capensis have these nectar spurs. Nectar spurs are thought to have played a role in plant-pollinator coevolution. Curvature angles of nectar spurs of Impatiens capensis are variable. This angle varies from 0 degrees to 270 degrees. The angle of the nectar spur is very important in the pollination of the flower, and in determining the most efficient pollinator. Hummingbirds are major pollinators. They remove more pollen per visit from flowers with curved nectar spurs than with perpendicular nectar spurs. But hummingbirds are not the only pollinators of Impatiens capensis. Bees, especially bumblebees, play an important role in pollination as well. Due to hummingbirds and bees, the pollination of Impatiens capensis is very high.
Okay, that's your education on this video here. And now let's run over to the strawberries. Okay, here we are. See, I see one big one there. It's not red. Oh, I think I see a red one in there. Let me take this off. Yeah, I'm picking that. Last 2 days I've been eating strawberries on my cereal. Couldn't wait to put them on my Twinkies. But anyway. Once I start getting more and more and more, then I will. Okay, plant's looking a lot better. instead of getting rid of the dead stuff. Okay, let's see what we got over here. Oh, there's a big red one there. I noticed that after I done my last video. I said I'm gonna keep it on there until I do my video again. That's a big boy there. Yeah. Couple more is ready for the next picking. Next video. That's about it. Look at that. They're starting to look better now. I've been picking getting rid of all the dead stems and leaves as much as I can. Okay. I want to try to get more of these. Well, I'm stressed to have these growing more. We'll see. I can probably, what I can probably do, dig some of these out, put them in other containers, and let them spread that way. Because this is actually getting a little overcrowded here. And so this little one here. So that's what I think I'll start doing. Well, I hope you like my video, what I have, or had. And don't forget to like, subscribe, keep coming back. Oh, wait a minute. I can't do this yet. I gotta go up and show you the videos upstairs. Okay. These have been sitting here for 2 days. Not in the bag or anything. We're gonna see how fast these things changes. I think once they start taking off in color, then I'll start doing it faster. So I'm gonna keep these up here a little bit longer. No, I'm gonna pull these out. See, I'm gonna show you a picture here 2 days ago, and then now. And then I'm gonna take a new picture of these. Okay, that's all I got for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come back. See you next time.